Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Looks like 3 notes are in for the Red Alliance as our robots are operating autonomously. 4 notes for the Red Alliance and 3 notes for the blue. It looks like most of our robots have moved from their starting position, and as we heard that buzzer, and our drivers now take control of our robots. The Red Alliance has a slight lead at this point with a 4-point difference. 76-77, the Bodacious Bulldogs for the Blue Alliance scores a note into that speaker. 79-15 picks up from the center field and is looking to score into that speaker for the Red Alliance, and it is good. 25-09 for the Blue Alliance scores a note into their amp, and that was enabling them to amplify their speaker, which 75-78 scored a note into, so it was worth 5 points. Still a 4-point difference between our teams in this qualification match 12. 31-34, the Accelerators scores a note into that amp. 79-15 shoots a note up, but it goes a little bit flat. Both of our teams press the Qualification buttons, so they only need 15 notes to get that melody ranking point. A note goes up and into the red speaker. 31-34 scores into that amp. 70-38 Pizza Pies shoot a note up, but it goes a little bit sideways. 25-09 for the Blue Alliance scores another note into that amp. 2-point difference between our teams as the Red Alliance leads. 79-15 scores a note into that speaker. 2 points for them. 31-34 puts a note into that amp. 70-38 tries to score in that speaker again, but it goes out of field. Bodacious Bulldog 76-77 puts a note into the speaker. 25-09 has a note in hand and is looking to score into that amp for the Blue Alliance. And it goes in. Red Alliance has an amplified speaker. 79-15 tries to make it worth their while, but the note goes flat. 31-34, the Accelerators put another note into that amp. 76-77, Bodacious Bulldogs gets a note to that speaker. With now we are in the last 20 seconds of our match. Both teams have secured that melody ranking point. Blue Alliance is trying to get all 3 of their robots on stage. They have 2 on the same change, which is a harmony, which is 2 points in addition to the 3 for the hanging robots. And the Red Alliance has 2 hanging robots to the Blues 3 at the end of the qualification match 12. Blue Alliance wins with a score of 65-52. They get all 4 ranking points, the ensemble, melody, and 2 for winning. And the Red Alliance walks away with a melody ranking point as well.